Summer is a time most teens spend relaxing, hanging out by the pool, but for one group it also includes a 2-day youth apprenticeship program.
WMAR 2 News' Maria Morales had the chance to chat with those teens about this opportunity.
Giving young people options, opportunity, and hope. That's what this tour is about here at the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers Training Facility. Hayden Smith is part of a 2-day youth apprenticeship program with YouthWorks and Banner Neighborhoods.
I loved it. When I found out we were coming here, I was really excited, and this solidified my excitement.
They heard from one of their own, State Senator Cory McCray. He represents East and Northeast Baltimore, and he's a journeyman electrician. He graduated from this Electrical Apprenticeship Program in 2008.
I wanted to figure out a way out of my neighborhood and change the circumstances that I grew up in for not just myself, but also for my family.
Took them to some of the training areas, and students got to try out some of the equipment electricians use.
Ain't easy, is it?
No.
But let me show you how I position myself when I do it.
Okay.
You good?
McCray told the students that a career as an electrician provides good pay and benefits, and the ability to do repairs in your own home. That appealed to Smith.
But what did excite me was the whole, I'm pretty sure McCray said that he doesn't hire anyone to fix anything in his house, like since he has that knowledge. And I don't really want to pay nobody to fix nothing in my house if I can fix it on my own.
Smith said he had already planned to go to some type of trade school instead of college. Right now, he said the electrical apprenticeship is at the top of his list. In Baltimore, Maria Morales, WMAR 2 News.